I'm surprised that there weren't people that didn't beg to be off of that jury. It was traumatic. They're trying to show us that what he did was worthy of death. And that's where the true trauma came in. It was just as horrific as I expected it to be. You know, sometimes I'd come home at the end of the day after a long day of testimony and just hug my kids. So the first couple of nights I had a lot of trouble sleeping. Anytime I would go to sleep, I would wake up with the images of those autopsy photos. The similarities between these children and my own kids. It took adjustment. It took me throwing myself back into my work, spending time with my kids. And that pain kind of eased off a little bit. It was like an ache in the back of my head, a little bit of a headache. The hard thing was, immediately after the trial, the new Toy Story came out. One of the main characters is Woody, and I handled that doll that had been ripped to pieces. Seeing anything Woody related kind of made you stop and think, and that hit other people in various ways. But we all talked about it. We were all connected on WeChat. We call ourselves Team 18. That's kind of a moniker that we're sticking with for all 18 of us. I went to Build-A-Bear the week after the trial, and I had 5 hearts put into a bear. For me, the teddy bear was my way of honoring the 5 children. And now I've got something that I can use to comfort my own children with. Once the trial was up and we were told you're released, you know, go forth into the world, and we kept in touch with each other, and we've become part of each other's lives. You don't go through the kinds of things that we went through and not form a permanent bond with people. We did a get-together with the jury where we got together and had a cookout and talked about things. And they had been talking all week about these little turtles, getting tattoos of 5 little turtles. Well, they're sitting on a log on the lake were 5 baby turtles. We took that as a sign that the kids were looking out at us. We felt like they were thanking us. We as a jury felt like we were a voice for those children. I will go to my grave with this experience, and that's not necessarily a bad thing.